reasons why the last year or so, last 12 to 18 months have been very good for Agilysys. In spite of COVID, I would frame it as three major reasons. One, a continuing focus on world-class customer service. When you focus on customer service, it can never go wrong in any year, but especially during the kind of year we had last year, customer empathy, understanding what their issues are, and being always there, which is a natural part of Agilysys' culture mindset, was one of the primary reasons why we continued to do well last year. The second reason is the product innovation, the extent of R&D investments Agilysys did during the couple of years prior to COVID. We had no idea that a pandemic is going to hit us, but we invested a lot in R&D, and that went into multiple areas. One, modernizing all our core solutions. Modernizing our core solutions so that they can work on cloud and on-prem. And we also added a number of new modules. Like we introduced a product called On Demand that enables remote and mobile F&B ordering. We introduced a product called Quick Pay for QR code-based payment. We introduced Argus Express for mobile check-in, checkout, and about 14 such modules. We started working on that a couple of years before, and then when COVID hit, it became absolute necessities. Contactless solutions became necessities. So the fact we had done the product innovation before really helped us during the COVID year. And then I would say the third reason is the continued investments in R&D even after COVID hit. Even though we are a software solution entirely based on hospitality, software solution company entirely based on hospitality, in spite of the risks that were there in March, April 2020, we continued investing in R&D. In fact, we increased our R&D investments and continued the pace of product innovation, and that also came in very handy during the year. This year, when you think about various events we will be attending and various shows we will be attending, the most important thing we are looking forward to is just being in person, right? It is just being in person, and the ability to shake hands with our dear customers and a whole lot of our dear partners is itself an enormous thrill. So just that social being in me and in all of us in Agilysys, we're just looking forward to being there in person. That's number one. Number two, this is launching of a new Agilysys. This is no longer your father's or grandfather's Agilysys anymore. We are launching Agilysys 2.0. For many years, across decades, we've always been known as a trusted solutions provider, a company you can always rely on, which had the best functionality feature sets, which was always known for world-class customer service. Now, as of this year, right now, we are also known for modern technology. Whether you want a world-class cloud application or you want a world-class on-premise technology, whatever your requirements are, across the entire set of hospitality, PMS, POS, inventory procurement, document management, along with being a trusted solutions provider, we are now launching Agilysys 2.0, which is also known for modern technology. And that combination is extraordinarily exciting for us that we have been working very hard. So that's another thing, displaying that is something that we are really looking forward to. Number three, we are looking forward to showing our customers and our partners and everyone who will be there the fact we tick all the boxes across the functionality, PMS, POS, inventory procurement, document management, across technology, cloud applications, or on-prem, whatever the requirements are, open APIs, easy to integrate, and also end-to-end hospitality solutions, all the way from a booking engine all the way till a customer leaves you, and even beyond with loyalty and promotion solution. The ability to tick all the boxes and showing it to everyone who attends the event is something we're really looking forward to. Last but not the least, no one is investing in hospitality-focused solutions more than us now. R&D, enormous investments we are making now, and the investments we made in the last 3-4 years, we're very eager to show everyone what the results of them are. And so those are all the important things that we are looking forward to during this year's event. We are in the process of launching many new products. We have an object recognition kiosk. We've always had in F&B, in POS, we've always had guest-facing kiosks. that make it easy for you. They can be unmanned, even in remote locations where you have difficulties hiring employees, you can use guest-facing kiosks. Now we've enhanced that to introduce a new product which can recognize objects and then automatically do the deductions or do the payroll deductions or do your credit card deductions as required. So that's a new product we are launching. And then there is a whole lot of extensions, enhancements to the products we already had. Our well-known InfoGenesis, our flagship product, now the recent version of that will support all operating systems, not only the heavy Windows tablet and the Windows terminal, but of one code base. It will be able to support iOS, Android, Windows, all of one single code base, and we can mix them in one food outlet. So you could have a couple of Windows terminals, you could do some of your functions even on your smartphone or on your iPad or on an Android tablet, all in one place. So a whole lot of new enhancements, new products like that, we will be displaying throughout this year. We are very excited to attend these events and the shows. So whatever you need to improve your operational efficiency, to improve your guest experience, whatever you need to improve your resort, please just talk to us. There's nothing more we ask for other than please ask us a question, and you're going to be surprised how many of your questions we will say yes, and we will be happy to demo to you anytime you're ready to take a look at the demo. Thank you for your time.